It's open. Mateo is on the side. Uh-oh. Nice. Mm. Coaches. Our spirits are here too. Did you see it? Yep. Shut it. Yeah. Men on football or soccer. Oh God. Oh God. Yeah, I think so. Look at it. Yeah. I don't. Who's playing? Oh, the weather changed just. Did you notice the weather change? Yeah.
It's supposed to storm tonight.
Oh. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Spain versus Germany.
Oh right. Okay.
And then it's Portugal versus France.
Oh yeah. Leandro, Tanya was. Yeah. Yeah.
She takes them out of school to watch it too.
Don't put Louise and Anthony together again, please. Oh, Louise, but yeah. You know, even having fun whilst during the camp or during training, I like it as well. You know, it's bonding kind of, yeah. And then it makes it interesting, like, you know, you don't think of the long hours you're in it.
No, you're in it. And even then, the drive home, they're talking about, like, did you see this?
Yeah, yeah,
You know?
yeah.
It carries over. I like the cat. I do.
Yeah, I did too.
I really like it for the little guys.
Look at Cass. I just like that guy. He's sweet. Yes, yes. It's Bobby sleeves for me. the way you roll the sleeves. Oh, Bobby. Ah. Hate is loud. Nice, Mateo. Get it out. Hmm? That's not Paul. No, Paul is on. Paul is standing with Ivan. Yeah. I don't know him.
He's a coach, right?
Yeah, I probably volunteer also. Oh, did Cos just speak his language? Wow, that's sweet.
What do you speak?
African dialect.
Yoruba. Listening to you.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so nice.
But my boys don't understand my language though.
What about Chelsea?
They are racist. They are African bastards. My boys.
Hola.
Yeah. Oh God, I'm recording.
I don't think you could post that one.
I am going to. Come on, boys. Handball.
Okay, let's just say without.
So the last camp I had my video mostly on Lewis because he was far. Anthony was far away.
Oh yeah.
They were far away from us. Hello, how are you?
Having fun?
Yes, they are.
I am Terry's grandma.
Yeah, hi. We saw you. That's Terry's grandma. We saw you pick him up on Wednesday. Yes.
And every day from now on.
Oh, good.
I know.
All right. Okay, good.
Not the only one. I have another two to pick up, so
Oh, you're busy, exactly.
I thought I'm gonna be done because the school's going back and forth.
Right.
Very busy.
So are you maternal or paternal? Grandma?
Grandma from
His dad?
his father.
Okay, okay.
Oh no, mixed up. Terry's have two of them. His mother. That's my daughter.
Okay.
Mom.
Okay, so Anna, you're Anna's mom.
Mixed up with yes.
Hi, Ansel. Oh, you're Anna's mom. Oh, bless your heart.
And I have another Terry. That's why I mix them up. But,
Right, okay. Your grandson is a lovely kid.
he's very nice. Boy.
He's a lovely boy.
She has two. Mark.
He's dribbling as the goalie. Yeah! Ah! I had it on video. Oh my God!
Anthony.
Anthony! And I had that on video. Oh my God!
Come on,
Go, Terry.
Anthony.
Yes. Yes.
The goalies are just gonna go back and forth.
Oh, good. Yeah. Oh, Terry.
Very good to kick balls.
Oh, yeah.
Balls.
Hmm. Go, Mateo. Oh. Nope, 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 nope. Good job, Terry. Ooh, nice again. Nice.
Did that go in?
No, he didn't. He blocked a good goalie.
Good. What team is Lewis on?
Loves soccer.
All right, yes.
I live in his room.
Oh, that's good. Go, Terry. Go, Terry.
Nice.
Yes. Oh.
That's Toprak.
Top rack, yeah. I love the way you did it, though.
Uh-huh. Toprak
Yeah.
is really fancy.
Yeah. Come on, Gray. That's Terry. Did Terry know you're here? That's why he's a bit, you know. No, don't let it. No.
God, you just watch.
Ooh, 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 nice save.
Oh,
Go, Mateo.
go, Anthony.
Nice.
Okay, Yeah, there you go.
Oh no! Need to watch out for incomings. Oops! Ah! See? Not just Anthony.
The nets are too small.
Oh my god. Yeah. Let's get Lewis's 2 minutes.
What color is Lewis?
He's grey.
He's nice, yeah.
Yeah. Let's get that minute too. Oh, not again. No, it wasn't. Done? 3:15. The switching teams. Okay, we've been told. Yeah. Yeah. I should be drinking water. Woo! Uh-oh, they're gonna. Take it. Go, Aiden. Go, Valeria. Take it. Oh, that's a goal. Oh. There you go. Go, Valeria. That's it. Okay. Woo. Good one, guys. Oh, almost. Uh-oh, don't let him. Oh, God. Nice, Aiden. Nice, Aiden. Nice. Take it. Pass to Aiden. Nice. Woo! Okay, take it. No, it didn't go in. Ooh, shoot! Nice. That's it, Aiden. Nice pass. Ooh, almost volleyed.
I usually call Boss smart. When he's not smart, you're just an idiot.
There you go, Aiden. Nice. Nice. On him, on him, on him. That's it. Come on. Goalie. Nice. Come on. No, that's cheating. No way. No way. That's it. Then lose it. That's it. Oh God, don't lose it. Oh, come on. 4-3, come on. Oh, got tangled. Come on, goalie. Come on, that's 4-4. Let's see. Good job, Aiden. Nice.
You get that one?
Slammed, yeah. Come on.
Hey, give him a golden goal, 1 minute.
Whoa.
But if you tie, it's both losses.
Come on. Gray.
Okay, alright. Ivan, you're the way.
Thank you. Sorry. Oh, come on.
Switch, K.
Ah.
Eden, your dad didn't see you though. Your dad didn't see you though.
Last round robin game.
Hey, who did you play?
Hey, Ivan, the winners stay here. Yeah, the orange ones play them, yeah.
Men's cigarettes. I work for very bad.
Let's stop here, stop. Just give me.
No, you know what?
Just come for an hour.
You know what made me not ever want to smoke? The same guy that always comes in every single day that I work, that nastiest spitting up the dark to spit everything.
So maybe that was a good thing for you.
No, 100%.
To be in that job and see the effect, right?
And the same people buy the same lottery and sports.
So you could tell when certain people walk in what they're gonna want, right?
100. And I know what
Nice. Oh, it's okay.
the ones who are addicted are not
Go, Cheyenne.
They're buying the cheapest cigarettes.
Nice. Woo!
Shout out 17-year-old from America. Yeah, he's going to Chelsea. Chelsea, yeah. He's a real good player. Yeah, man, well composed for a few 17-year-olds here, 16-year-olds.
Come on. Ah. Nice.
Yo, how good is Conte? How good is Conte? No, my favorite is, you ever hear about this story? And he didn't know what to do. So he's like, so he bought popcorn kid who was about like a chocolate or wine and stuff, right? Because I'm never gonna get it for a birthday party. But everyone's like bringing like Gucci bags.
Yeah.
But it's like, what's the money like that?
Yeah, because what the guy drives, he drives around a minute.
Pass.
Simple.
Yeah. Well, that's him.
I love it. I love
To the core. That's him as a core. Yeah, but second man is the same.
Yo, Manny donates all his money, half his salary to go build his country.
Built his game.
Whoa.
Built the hospital, mosques, with the community center, schools, and then he gives them all like $1,000. No, listen. He's like, listen. I can't buy all these shots. I can't drive them out. I can't have all these shots at once. I only can even one.
Yo, but my favorite is Conte went to Saudi, got paid, and then everyone thought his career was done. He's been the man of the match, what, 3 times? 2 times?
Oh.
Kid is still humble.
Take it.
I still think my favorite
Foul. Lewis.
like, he's so good.
Bad bro. We're caught on video, bad bro. Take it.
I'm with you. He's up to when he's on.
Orange ball. Orange ball. Orange ball. Exactly. Aiden. Woo! Yeah. Nice man. Come on, Daniel. Oh.
He stays within his boundary. But it's funny when no, so but if I
I tell him no, stay goals. Then later I take him out of the game. Parents say, why is he taking on?
Whoa.
Sometimes we don't want to take them out. He says he's going to.
my charger's here too.
Aiden. Oh, we have to go. We have to go. Madam is going to work.
Oh. Go, go, go. There you go. Whoa. Nice save.
I don't know what's that left.
Good to park. Nice. Oh. Woo!
The longer his career goes on, the more I guess like nothing to do with it. He's just not playing for the right reason. He's not playing for the team. Everything for him is right now is about stats.
It's personal.
But they're so good that he should be thinking about how can I help the team? Right? How can I make myself more effective? They qualify. 13 why is he playing 6%?
Yeah, the third game.
Aww.
Yeah, he's looking at it too. I said, what do you do on the field? Maybe I should
No, it's him.
No, it's him. He wants to go and appearance. That's what it is. Peter, take someone. Yeah, I'm with you, Bobby. When I saw him on the third game, I'm going to rest, you know?
She's tiny.
No, Rabio got injured.
The winners.
Hey, go crack the ball down.
Hello, darling. How are you?
How are you?
I'm
Like they're
okay.
talking.
The finals. So
Ah.
yeah. Go boys, come on.
Ne oldu bebeğim?
Look at his smile.
Bebeğim wanna come? Ha? Nasıl geçti?
Nice.
Okay. Suluk aldım sana. So there were some big kids?
No.
Yeah, but
They're mixed up,
mixed.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aha, that was good.
Go, Mateo.
Nasıldın? Only this much kids that they had, or
Let's go, Jeffrey.
there were more?
The few tonight. I mean today. Go, Terry. Come on. Oh, God, that's a goal. Ooh, nice save. Come on. Yes, Terry. Oops.
We don't own it.
These shoes look like that. Okay.
That's what I was so confused about.
Come on, Mateo. Mateo, go.
That's why
Yeah, that's it. Mateo, don't be afraid.
if I
Oh. Nice. Gray's leading. Come on, Gray. Oh, there you go. Nice save. Whoa. The goalie didn't even flinch. Go, Zachary. Take it. Whoa.
That was good.
Anthony? Oh, Anthony. Terry went Anthony. Hi, Alan.
How are you?
I'm okay, thank you. How are you? Good. There you go. Ooh. Woo! Woo! Nice.
He's big. He's gonna chop them off.
Oops. Abo. I mean, gray ball.
So this is final.
Yes.
They're not gonna play. Okay.
Probably 5 minutes they're done.
this game is gonna be boring. Listen,
Go for it. Go for it.
you know
There you go. Woo!
Close.
the whistles and the stands, you can tell guys, the energy was high.
That's 2-1. Come on, Anthony.
Go Anthony.
Oh!
Hey, he should have finished it. He should have.
Come on. Exactly. Look at this. Yes, Mateo, finish it. Oh! Almost. Who's that? Who's that kid that just kissed my camera? Is he?
Who was him?
Oh, I don't know.
Your son?
double. And next week's only 3 hours a day.
Come on, Gray.
Hey, you come next week.
2-1.
I'll pay you $10.
They're drawing you out. Out. Oh. Orange ball.
Well, you should have won.
2-1. Gray 1. Oh, okay. So this is okay. Blue and gray. Right.
Okay.
Come on, Aiden. I'm rooting for you guys. So it's 2-1. The gray one on this side.
Oh, you're
Good job, Mateo. You guys won. Yay. And here's the finalist. Come on, boys. Yeah. Oh, Terry's joined this group. Ha ha ha.
Let's sit down there. Should we? Shouldn't we? Should we sit down there? No?
Because the boys are coming.
Oh,
yeah, so. Come on, Toprak. Go, Volodya. No, not to go. Ooh, he saved it.
Saved.
Wow.
Ronaldo? Oh, Ronaldo was on the field?
Come on, Aiden.
I'll fit in. I'll fit in.
Oh. These coaches are killing me.
No, he's gonna go over. He goes over. Over.
If he scores, I'll get a basket. If he scores, I'll get a basket.
Bruno was like, yo, it's either wall. Okay, you say wall.
Nice. Woo!
3 overs.
That was a good one,
Crossbar
Aiden.
and over? No. He's gonna go straight to Wait, am I allowed to say wide and over? No. He's hitting it straight to the goalie's hands. No. Straight to the goalie's hands. So no one's saying it's in. No one's
Stay.
that he's not the goal.
Nice.
Straight to
He's not
Good.
even trying to catch
2-0.
our straight.
Nice, Aiden. Come on, Volodya.
Hey, my money is at the front.
Oh wait, he's from that far. I'll go over.
No. But that's it.
How about it?
Hey, is this one getting jumped in?
Come on, Louis. Oh. What was that?
I changed mine to over.
Still 2-0.
Play with Toprak.
Bro, white Bruno.
The Blues. How about it? Ooh. Nice goalie. Ooh.
That was a way better shot than
Send it out.
What? That's not a bad hit. That's not actually bad. Ronaldo's not hitting a better shot. That's a good hit.
Goalie.
Ronaldo hit a better one now. That looks like my hit.
Shoot. Whoa. 3-1. Is it 2-1 or 3-1? 2-1.
That Ronaldo has always hit.
Why have you been watching?
Who scared me?
Nice. Oh.
Hadi oğlum.
Hey, beautiful. How are you? I'm okay, thanks. How was your graduation? Beautiful. That's nice. Grade 9 now. Here we go. 2-1.
You can. I'll explain later.
Volodya. Oh! No. Oh, there you go. Nice. 2-2.
I'll fit in.
Tyler.
I'll fit in.
Shoot.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, so that's not a goal?
Send it.
Nice.
It was a goal.
There's a ball already, innit? Uh-oh. Nice. Oh.
Hadi one more.
Oh dear.
Hadi.
Come
Fit
on.
in. But that was the wrong side.
Volodya Manon! Oh! It's like you're watching a real game, like they're playing it.
We like it anyway. Andy.
Come on, 2-2-2. Come on.
Missed it, yeah.
He lost it. Come on. It's hard. Come on. No. Nice,
Oh,
Aiden.
Brock. You shouldn't have missed it.
Go for it, Aiden. Ooh. Nice. The finish. Yeah.
You were Ronaldo that one. What happened? He just became.
Finish. Ooh.
I actually was the biggest fan. I liked his work rate. I liked everything about him. I just can't stand him.
Ay, ay, ay.
Come on. No, no.
Give it to somebody. Ah.
He confused him because of this blue.
Yeah, they're all blue. Ay, ay, ay.
Ooh.
That's good. Good save. Oh.
Toprak. Lewis uses
10 seconds!
Whoa! Whoa! 9,
9!
8,
Keep going, Bola.
7, 6,
3, 3.
5, 4, 3, 2. Great one. Uh-oh.
There's fight.
No, it's 3-2.
3-3, golden goal.
Was it 3-3?
Golden goal, Belgium.
Oh. Come on. Okay.
Hey, he was out of his box.
Oh.
Go, go, go. Yes.
No, that's 3-3. That's 3-3 now, honestly. It is now 3-3, Bobby. Bobby, it's now 3-3. No, it's now 3-3. But it's tie. It's a tie. The great team were leading before. Yeah. I just get a couple.